This one is a team this time, you know? It's a team though. Random. Choose a random, pick the random. You're good. Appreciate it, bro. Play ball. Nace, do you wanna play play ball, bro? Need fan? I'm not using it this time. I might use. How about this one? No, it's a this mat. This one bad. I mean like we need a sniper weapon like this. Who is it? Who is it?
Bande.
No. Oh my god. Yo. Oh, Star is my team. Star. Okay, I'm coming, guys. Let's go, chat. Wait, who is right behind me? It's a penguin, chat. No, it's a cute assassin. We got assassins here. Oh, hell no. I ran away, chat. I ran away. Huh? Oh hell. Okay, I'm back. Let's go high. Okay. Is it just a gate? It's just a gate or Nova. Someone is right there. Alright, let's go everybody, let's go chat. Log in, y'all. 30 versus 36, you know. Come on, 30. Come on, you can make it 30 guys. 36 and 38, you know, it's not too fun, like come on guys. Yo, what's that? What's that? Can you join me after? What are you playing, by the way? What are you playing? Huh? Nova! Bro, Beanstalk install, guess what? Beanstalk install, really? No way. Anybody in the chat? Yo, by the way, Grace chat, let's go, Grace chat. Beanstalk install chat. Grace chat, what are you doing, bro? Come on, like, come join the Discord, bro. I haven't heard your voice so long, bro. I ain't gonna say something. Come on.
Okay.
Oh, finally, let's go, Grace.
I'm playing on my PCs, and I'm like, whoa. Really? I missed an update? Come on.
You missed the update? Oh.
I woke up really early because of something. Blood was gushing out of my nose. I woke up to blood gushing out of my nose.
Damn.
So I panicked. I thought I was gonna throw up, but no, I was just covering my mouth because it was all over it.
Oh.
But Pepper and Beanstalk.
Come on, Mayday, come on. You see me, right?
It's a wall. I didn't even
no!
that. It's a wall.
It's fire.
I'm so happy I got that chicken down. But when I realized trading was disabled again, my friend was gonna trade a red fox and the chickens onto it, and I'm like, boy, you better go first, cause like, it's a chicken zombie.
Damn.
I did not get scammed pissed, cause I'm like, I said, boy, if you scam me, I get this button right here, ready for reporting.
Damn.
Cause you my friend. One of my friends has 27 sperm. No way!
No way.
This person has the kitsune.
Wait, stop. What are
This person has kitsune. That's crazy. I don't have kitsune.
They are. Oh my god, chat. They are taking possession. That's why, chat. Wait. They right. Okay, I see. I know. I know how to do it, chat. Wait.
Yes, I just got a raptor today. I got another raptor. Ooh, I gotta go back.
Come on, get it.
I'm gonna feed that to
Yo!
one in stock, but I don't think anyone cares.
I don't see that, chat.
I was gonna say AFK just so I can get the new fruit with Elder Strawberry Seed. I can't believe I missed another update. That is insane.
That's insane. Yo, why is Nova keep kidding me? Oh, hell no.
Bro, it is storming.
I'm sorry.
And I hate it.
No! Ah! Only one shot. Oh, we lost, chat. GG. No way.
The only thing I would play rivals on is my Xbox because like I'm a